year we've got some really nice colors. Starting off with this green. Obviously this green color is a much more kind of washed out matte pastel color, I would say. This year's new iPhone models come in the iPhone 15 Plus, which is this larger 6.7 inch size, and the smaller iPhone 15 with the standard 6.1 inch size. So that's the green color, and here is the blue. So this blue is kind of like a white in certain colors, blue in others. It's very nice and subtle. I do like how all the colors do match with the band on the outside. Obviously another big update when it comes to the design is this year we have OLED displays with a dynamic island as well, so they've certainly made an upgrade there. And here I think is going to be a very popular color. This is the black color. Certainly looks nice and stealthish, feels like a matte black sort of effect here. The other upgrade when it comes to the camera this year is we do have the dual camera like previous years, but an update to the main with a 48 megapixel for the main paired up with a 12 megapixel. And then this is the yellow color. So it's got a bit of a Stardust kind of look and feel to it, but it certainly looks yellow in the flesh. Again, quite a pastel washed out color overall, giving it that sort of gentle vibe. The update to the camera also means that you're going to get much better quality photos. Here are some examples that are included on these devices here. You get much better definition, especially in portrait mode now, between the subject, the backgrounds, and there is actually a mode within the camera itself. So once you are in the camera mode and you're taking photos generally, this little icon will turn on automatically when it detects somebody there, and it will be able to take a range of different photos, and then you can select portrait within that as a standard. So you don't necessarily have to be in portrait mode all the time to access that, which is a really cool feature. Finally, we have pink. This is the pink color iPhone 15. Nice, perfect timing for the Barbie movie this year. Again, quite subtle when it comes to that color. Another update this year is Apple are no longer doing any more of the leather cases, and they're opting for this kind of fine woven effect, which is essentially going to be better for the environment and better for recycling.